How to fix no sound in Windows 11. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, in the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for settings. Once you search for it, go ahead and open it up. Once you're inside settings, you want to go ahead and press on system. Inside system, go ahead and tap on sound. And inside sound, you want to make sure that the speaker that you're using is selected. You can even change the volume from here. Once it is done, you can go ahead and check for the updates. If it still does not fix your issue, you want to right click on the start button and press on device manager. Or you can simply search for device manager in the search bar. So go ahead and open device manager in your PC. From here, you want to go ahead and expand audio input and output. And from here, you want to go ahead and select your speaker. Let's say I'm using this one. So go ahead and press onto it and then press on update driver. Once you press onto it, simply tap on search automatically for drivers and make sure that the best driver is installed. If it still does not fix your issue, right click onto it, tap on properties, then go ahead and press on driver. And if it allows you, you want to go ahead and simply press on rollback driver. It's not available for me right now, but if it's available for you, you can go ahead and press onto it, then press OK. Once it is done, if it still does not fix your issue, head back to your home screen and then in the search bar, go ahead and search for Get Help. Once you search for it, open it up, wait for it to load. And once you're here in the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for No Sound. From here, you want to go ahead and press Yes, and just like that, it's gonna go ahead and solve your audio problem. That's how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.